Straighten, wave, or curl with the new Remington Pro Twisting Curl Multi-Styler, featuring a heat control sensor to protect color-treated hair from damage and fading. For smooth, straight results, clamp a 1-inch section of hair between the plates and glide smoothly down your hair. With 30-second heat up, 450-degree high heat, and ceramic titanium smooth plates, it's simple to make straight, sleek styles. For full beachy waves, close the styler on a medium-sized section of hair. Twist the styler 180 degrees away from your face and slowly glide down your hair. Micro-guide combs prevent your hair from slipping as you twist, and the cool tip provides more control. For bouncier curls, repeat the action, but glide down more slowly. The twisted plates and rounded design intuitively guide your twist and cool hair as you style. One styler for 3 unique looks, personalized for you. Create your next style with the Remington Pro Twisting Curl Multi-Styler.